जितने भी आँखों में संग तेरे बांटना चाहूँ मिल गया जैसे मुझे आसमां उतरा हो चांद भी राहों में तू जो मेरा हुआ तू जो मेरा हुआ ओ पिया तू जो
He had gone to New York to meet a couple friends and had no idea that he was planning a proposal, and I was really sick. I felt sick at the airport. I had the flu. I had to rest a whole day in New York and I had no idea what's going on. He was planning something.
100% sure that okay, hey, you know what, if I do it in this way, she is 100% going to know that that I love her, and she's not gonna say a no or anything.
He had like a bouquet of roses on the floor at the park, and then we just walk towards it and he just picks up these random flowers and he gives it to me, and I'm like, this is random, like don't touch it, it's dirty, who knows who left it.
She's walking from the other side from her house and I'm on the other side of the car, so she cannot even see that I have flowers or anything. So, and as she turns and comes on this side of the car is when I actually go down on my knees, present the flowers to her, and then I propose to her.
And he's on his knees and he opens this box with my absolute perfect ring. I had chosen that ring, and he opens that box and I could not believe it. I genuinely could not believe it because I had no idea he was planning. He's actually not good at keeping surprises, which is why I was even more shocked. But he was on his knee with a bouquet of roses and my ring, and that was the most beautiful moment. And the most thoughtful part about the proposal was he made sure that he did it in New York City. That is my absolute favorite city in the world, and he made sure that he did it in that, so to make it even more memorable for me.
She up inna the dance and a hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. Oh, you move it so lovely when you ready for comfy. Hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble, she just a bounce it. That is inna the country, you know me nah flunky. Body clean, girl, make me talk about it. Yeah, poetry to how you fit inna your outfit. Yeah, start move, girl, this your workout with. Your body jada sculpt it, that's why you're proud with. Liquor inna your cup, it a the culprit. That kind of wine, mama, you will get a house with. Girl, love it, body no dead and you no lousy. Suppose a little walk out it. That girl a bad so till me happy shout it. Fatty round, I can't get brownie. She live a red pan me with Spanish Tony. Bubble she up inna the dance and a hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. Oh, you move it so lovely when you ready for comfy. Hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. Hey, yeah, bubble she just a bounce it. That is inna the country, you know me nah flunky. Oh, you move it so lovely when you ready for comfy. That is inna the country, you know me nah flunky.
कि वे मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा कि वे मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा नी तेरे जया होर दिसदा नी तेरे जया होर दिसदा
You know, like when they say मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था और मैं मांगने से पहले मुझे मिल जाता था, that's exactly my father. That's exactly my father. I did not even have to ask, and he would have the world ready at my feet. My mom is my best friend. I genuinely cannot do a single thing without her. She's my absolute best friend. She understands me like nobody else. My brother is my biggest support system. Whenever I'm around him, I feel like he's the elder one and I'm the younger one. Even though I like kind of tease him like मैं बड़ी बहन हूँ मेरी सुन, but I'm kind of like in the background listening to what he would have done. I take my decisions thinking like what would have he done, because he's so good at just life and handling everything.
छेती आजा हुण तक नहीं आरावानी।
अगर मैं इन शॉर्ट एक ही वर्ड बोलूँगा, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, हम लोग को हमारे को जो चाहिए था वो मिला। हमारे को अच्छे से, हमारे को जैसी फैमिली और जैसा हम लोग को हमारी डॉटर इन लॉ चाहती थी वो हमारे को हमारी बेटी के रूप में मिली है हम लोग को।
We can do it our way, and if love's just a game, then come and play. Aziza, meet me on the floor tonight. Show me how to move like the water, in between the dancing lights. Be mine, Aziza.
इश्क वर्गे ते इश्क ही पल्ले, इश्क ही दिसदा जेड़े इश्क च चले।
शायद हम लोग उसके लिए कोई लड़का ढूंढते तो ऐसा नहीं ढूंढ पाते थे। लेकिन उसने जो अपना लाइफ पार्टनर चुना है और उसकी जो फैमिली है, द ग्रेट, हम
बहुत अच्छी फैमिली
अल्लाह का
है।
थैंकफुल है कि इतनी अच्छी फैमिली मिली है, इतना अच्छा लड़का मिला है।
रूवी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा, दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा। रूवी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा, दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा। मेले आसां दे गेड़े सारे
You look so pretty. माशाल्लाह।
ते पीर भी तू, प्यार भी तू, दीन भी तू, ईमान भी तू, ते प्रीत भी तू, मीत भी तू, मेरा यार भी तू, करार भी तू, ते पीर भी तू, प्यार भी तू, दीन भी तू, ईमान भी तू, प्रीत भी तू, मीत भी तू, यार भी तू, करार भी तू।
क्या आपको ये निकाह शुमाइला सिकंदर अमलानी के साथ कबूल है?
कबूल है।
शुमाइला सिकंदर अमलानी, क्या आपको ये निकाह माज मंसूर मकानी के साथ कबूल है?
कबूल है।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, by the grace of Allah, ये निकाह पूरा हुआ।
I don't tell this often. Maybe I do, I don't know. But I truly, truly, truly am so grateful to have such a person in my life. Truly the star of my world. He's the star of everyone's life, but he's especially the star of my world.
And I'm just so thankful, so grateful to, you know, to God, to every, you know, I don't know to whom, but like just to everyone, like whoever made our stars align there, you know, who got us together. I'm just extremely grateful that this happened and I was able to meet you. And I just really, really love you, and I cannot imagine my life without you.